Hi, this is the second movie for the first pause and practice for chapter 3. I didn't want to rush through this animation, so I broke it off into its own movie. So we're on step 7 for chapter 3's pause and practice 1, where we're applying animation. And we're going to do this for slide 4, 5, 7, 8, and 14. So let's go to slide 4 first. And then, so the process is the same, even though we might change what we're animating or how we're animating, but really you work through it the same way. So we want to select the text or object to be animated. And so our little chart says the down arrow and possible body sequence text box. So that's this down arrow. I'm going to press my control and click on the possible body sequence box. So I have handles around both of them. So now my animation will be on both of those items. Okay, so I want to go to the animations tab, right? And it works like transition in many regards, where you pick it and then you tweak it through the effect. So for this first one, if I click this down arrow, you see it's broken down: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. And then there's more for each of those. So this is an entrance, and we're going to find wipe. So there's wipe. And we want to wipe from top. So right now it's from bottom. So we're going to do from top. And we want to start on click, and we want the duration to be 2 seconds. So I'm going to click that duration up, and there's going to be no delay. Okay, so you see the little boxes. This is part of my first animation of this. So we're going to go to slide 5. We're going to select the first impression box. Okay, we're going to select this, and we're going to do a wave. So that is an emphasis. So we're going to come to this category where it's in wave, and we're waving by paragraph. We're going to do after the previous, so it'll automatically happen. It's not going to wait for me to click. And the duration is a half of a second, and there's no delay. So I'm good on that one, right? So now we're going to select slide number 7. And we want to find the quoted text. We're going to have a bounce entrance. So we're going to go here and find bounce. Boom, boom, boom. And it's going to be by paragraph. No, sorry, as one object. Sorry, it's going to be after previous. Means you don't have to click for it to start. Duration is 2 seconds, and the delay is going to be 1 second. Okay, that's slide 7. We're going to go to slide 8. We're going to click on this road picture. We're going to pick an entrance that's going to be grow and turn, right? So we're going to pick, there's none, it's grayed out, can't do anything. We're going to do with previous, and, oh, sorry, wait a minute, clockwise, oh no, with previous, 2 seconds, and 1 second delay. Okay, let me just make sure. We did grow and turn. There's no effects. We can't do that. With previous, 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, then we're going to go down and find the heart on 14. Okay, so we're going to select that heart. And in the emphasis, we're going to find spin. The effect is going to be clockwise 2 spins. So clockwise 2 spins, with previous, 2 second, and no delay. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do a save, And now what we want to do is make sure we're on 14. We're going to insert a new blank slide. So we're going to go home, new slide, blank. So now we have a new 15 that has nothing in it, no content at all. We are going to insert, sorry, I had a little mishap there with my movie, but we just got done inserting a blank slide after 14. So we want to click insert, and then we want to look over to the right and find video, online video, because we don't have one, so we're going to do that. And oops, hold on. Online video. Cancel. Okay, so this is where it's going to be a little different if you're at school or on Office 2016 versus 365. So I'm recording this at home. I have Office 365. So when I go to my insert video, I don't have a search. So what I would need to do is find the video that I want. So I'm going to go to my Chrome, and I'm just going to search for presentation skills, right? Videos. Okay, so here's one. So if I find that, hi, so here I found a skill. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to have my URL.
There's no such thing as a perfect writer. This is why
that.
I use Grammarly to check my work.
I'm going to pick that URL, copy it, and then when I go here to video, online video, I'm going to paste in the video. If you have 2016, there's a search right on there that allows you to search. The search process that I did external, you could do right from inside PowerPoint. Okay, so whichever way you're going to do it, you're going to get this video in, and we're going to set the size to 7 inches, and then I'm going to center it. Remember, use your guides, and then on the video playback, we're going to hit the play button, see if it works. And it is working. Okay. If you are below this, you want to insert a text box, right? That's going to have the source, okay? Because you're pulling somebody else's work, you need to reference it, okay? So we're going to go ahead and save this presentation, and we'll start the next one, the next movie up with Pause and Practice 2. All right, thank you.